Good morning, student. Today we are discussing about the types of dosage form. The type of dosage form means by which drug molecules are delivered to the site of action within the body. The need for dosage form, accurate dose, protection from gastric juice, placement of drug with the body, optimal drug action, use of desired vehicle for insoluble drugs. There are mainly two types of dosage form as per the route of administration and the physical form. The oral dosage form, the best example is a tablet, is a hard compressed medication, round and oval in shape. The various excipients which are used in that binder, glider and lubricant, disintegration and sweetener or flavoring agent which will make a taste or flavor on the bad tasting active ingredient pigment to make the uncoated tablet visually attractive. The coating may be applied to hide the taste of the tablet compound, make it more resistant to the environment. The buccal and sublingual tablet are administered by placing them in mouth on either under the tongue or between the gum and cheek. The effervescent tablet or uncoated tablet generally contain acid substance, for example citric and tartaric acid, carbonate or bicarbonate, which react rapidly in the presence of water by releasing carbon dioxide. The chewable tablets are prior to swallowing. They are designed to administer to the children. The capsule is a medication in gelatin container. There are two types, hard shell capsule and soft shell capsule. The lozenges, these are solid preparation, contain sugar and gum, giving strength and cohesiveness to the lozenges. The pastilles, they are solid medicated preparation designed to dissolve slowly in the mouth or dental cone and tend to be placed in the empty socket following a tooth extraction for preventing local multiplication of pathogenic bacteria. The pills are the dosage form which are made for oral use are spherical mass prepared from one or more medicament incorporated with the inert excipient. The granule consists solid dry aggregates of powder particle often supplied in a single dosage second. The powder which are used for all they are bulk powder, divided powder, powder for mixture stored in a dry form and mixture prepared by pharmacists when required by dispensing. The liquid preparations are mainly oral solution or oral emulsion or oral suspension. Oral solution are a liquid preparation for oral use containing one or more active ingredient, whereas oral emulsion they are stabilized by oil in water dispersion either both phase or may contain dissolved solid. The liquid preparations, another example is syrup elixir. Syrup consists concentrated aqueous solution of a sugar or a flavored syrup for convenient mask disagreeable taste. The elixirs are flavored clear liquid preparation of potent or nauseous drug. The linctus are viscous liquid oral preparation that are usually for relief of cough, oral drop. They are liquid preparation for oral use that are intended to be administered in a small volume. The gargles, they are aqueous solution used in the prevention or treatment of their infection. Mouthwash similar to gargle used for oral hygiene. The dermal dosage form in that the example is ointment. They are semi-solid greasy preparation for the application to the skin, rectum and nasal mucosa. The creams are semi-solid preparation that is mixture of oil and water. They are divided into two types. These are called oil in water type of cream and water in oil type of the cream. The gel or jellies, they are semi-solid system in which the liquid phase is constrained with 3D polymeric matrix having a high degree of physical and chemical cross-link. Poultices, they are soft, viscous, pasty preparation for external use. The paste are basically ointment into a high percentage of moisture solid has been added. The pastes are less greasy because of absorption of the fluid hydrocarbon fraction to be particulate. In the dermal dosage form, the pastes are mainly two types, fatty paste or non-greasy paste. The another formulation here is with distinct powder. They are following very fine powder for external use, not for use in open wound unless the powders are sterilized. The transdermal patch or skin patch is a medicated adhesive patch placed on the skin to deliver a specific dose of medicament. Plasters. These are solid semi-solid mass adhere to skin when spread upon cotton, felt, fine or muslin as is a bacterial material they are mainly used. The lineaments are fluid semi-solid or occasionally semi-fluid preparation intended for application to the skin. The lotions are a fluid preparation for external application without the friction. Colloidin, a solution of a nitrocellulose in ether or acetone, sometimes with addition of alcohol. These are highly inflammable. A solvent evaporates, it dries to a celluloid-like film. The paints are liquid for application to the skin or mucous membrane. They are volatile solvent that evaporate quickly to leave a dry resinous film of medicament. The pressurized dispenser or that is called aerosol spray. Several different types of pharmaceutical products may be packed in a pressurized dispenser known as aerosol. They are used as a surface disinfectant, wound, or a burn dressing relieving irritation of the bite. The suppository these are semi-solid, solid medicated mass, usually cone shaped, inserted either into the rectum or a vagina where it melts at a body temperature. The rectal dosage form, the another formulation here is a enema. Enema is a procedure of introducing liquid into the rectum colon via anus. The evacuating enema used for a bowel stimulant to treat constipation. The retention enema, the volume does not exceed 100 ml. They will produce a systemic effect and a local effect when they are applied. The vaginal dosage form in that the example is a pessary. Pessary are solid medicated preparation designed for insertion into vagina where the melt and dissolve. There are three types: molded pessary, compressed pessary, and vaginal capsule. The vaginal ring are donut-shaped polymeric drug delivery devices designed to provide controlled release of drug to the vagina over extended period. Several vaginal rings are currently available as a Femling and Nuvaring. Douche. Douche is a device used to introduce a stream of water into the body for medical or hygienic reason. The intrauterine device. These devices are also known as IUD or a coil. They are mostly used method reversible birth control. There are two broad categories of intrauterine contraceptive devices. They are inert and copper based device, hormonally based device that will work by releasing a hormone that is called progesterone. Injection. A infusion method putting liquid into the body, usually with a hollow needle and a help of a syringe pierced through the skin to a sufficient depth for a material to force into the blood. The type of injection, the first one is called intravenous injection. In that, the liquid administered directly into the bloodstream via a vein. The advantage of this method is a rapid onset of action when it is needed. The intramuscular injection, the substance directly enter into the muscle by applying vaccines are an example by which the drugs are administered by this method. Subcutaneous injection, that is given by injecting a fluid into subcutaneous layer of the skin directly below the dermis and epidermis, that is highly effective in administering vaccines and such medicaments like insulin. Inhaler, these are the solution, suspension or emulsion of drug in mixture of inert propellant under pressure in a aerosol dispenser. Release of the medicament in the form of droplet 5 micrometer diameter or less the container through a spring loader. Nebulizer or atomizer is used to administer medication to the pupil in the form of a liquid mist to the airway. As general rule, doctors generally prefer to prescribe inhaler for their patients because they are cheaper, more portable, carry less risk of the side effect. Ophthalmic dosage form, in that the eye drop, ophthalmic ointment are the example. These are saline containing drop used a vehicle to administer medication in the eye. The eye drops do not have medication in them that are only lubricating and tear replacing solution. The eardrops are solution, suspension or emulsion of drugs that are inserted into the ear with a dropper used to treat or prevent the ear infection, especially infections of the outer ear and ear canal. The nasal drops are a drug of solution may instilled into the nose from a dropper or a plastic squeeze bottle. The drug have a local effect, for example, the antihistamine decongestant. Intermediate products used in compounding of drug, these are called extract, glycerin, infusion. The extracts are concentrated preparation containing active principle of vegetable or animal drug have extracted with suitable solvent and concentrated to form a liquid, soft or dry extract. The glycerin, solution of medication in glycerol with or without the addition of water. Infusion, dilute solution containing a readily soluble constituent of crude drug prepared by diluting 1 part of the concentrate infusion with 10 part of water concentrated infusion prepared by cold extraction. Another are optional. These are the preparation in a vehicle is a mixture of acetic acid and honey. Spread, they are alcoholic, aqueous alcoholic solution of volatile substance used as flavoring agent. Tincture, these are alcoholic preparation containing the device principle of vegetable drug. They are relatively weak compared to the extract. The aromatic water are the aqueous solution usually saturated of volatile oil and other volatile substances used as flavoring spirits. Thanks a lot.